Hi, I'm Courtney, and today I have my helper, and we're going to try hydro drip canvas, and then we're going to add adhesive vinyl to it. So let's get started. We have a bucket here that is filled with water, and we're going to spray paint into it. We're just using mostly Valspar spray paint, different oranges and reds. We're going to make a Halloween canvas. So let's get started. Helper. We are wearing gloves, and we're outside in a well ventilated area. Okay, spray it in.
I'm going to do orange next.
Orange next? Okay. There you go. Use your pointer finger on your right hand. Ooh, that looks almost white and not peachy. You think it's ready for its canvas, or you want? I think we got quite a bit of paint in there.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell.
Can I put the canvas in?
Remember, we have to roll it. So you take your canvas, and you don't just plop it in there, you kind of roll it in there.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna do it the bottom first together. Ready? So just put the bottom in, slowly roll it in. Let's see what we got.
Let's try that again.
Now we're going to open Cricut Design Space and to a new project. Go to upload. Here's our image. Insert our image that we want to put on our canvas. Resize it. If you want to unlock this, then you can pull it and it'll stretch your design out. I want this to fill up the whole canvas, so I'm stretching it out a little bit more. Right, and then I want this all to be one color. I don't want to do multiple colors, so we can attach them. Now they're all going to be the black color. Then we go to make it. We're going to put it on adhesive, so we do not need to mirror, and then hit continue. Now that we have our design up, we can cut our adhesive vinyl. Adhesive vinyl goes on your mat, color side up. And you do not mirror your image for adhesive vinyl. I cut on Vinyl Plus and then hit cut. Now our design is all cut out and weeded. Our canvas has been dry for multiple days. Wanted to make sure it was nice and dry. And now we take our transfer tape. Ooh. Take our transfer tape. I like to, especially for canvases, since they're kind of a softer, squishier surface, I make my transfer tape not quite so sticky by putting it on a towel. Otherwise, you can have some stick issues. Line up your design on your transfer tape. Back on this, I probably should have lined it up on the top because this is a thinner font and this would have helped get it stuck on there, but we're down now, so we're gonna hope for the best. I'm gonna put something hard underneath so that it has a little bit more solidness to it to varnish onto it. Take the backing off. I didn't push a whole heck of a lot onto the tape because, like I said, canvases can be a little fun to sometimes get stuff onto. Okay. Line it up on our canvas where we want it. Working from the middle out. I'm gonna start with the hello. You can see this is where I have that cooling block underneath, so I can really push down and get it to stick. Now we have our canvas.